Up to my ears, understanding this English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English idioms and explore the meaning behind the phrase, up to my ears. Idioms like this can be tricky for learners, but they're a fun and important part of mastering the language. Let's get started. Up to my ears is an idiom that means being extremely busy or overwhelmed with something. When someone says they are up to their ears in work, for example, it means they have a lot of work to do and feel submerged in it, just like being physically submerged in water up to one's ears. This idiom is often used to express a high level of involvement or preoccupation with something. The phrase, up to my ears, has its roots in the idea of being engulfed or submerged in something. While the exact origin is unclear, it's believed to have been used for centuries in various forms. The visual metaphor here is quite powerful. Imagine being in water or another substance so deep that it reaches your ears. It's a vivid way to describe being deeply involved in something, often to the point of being overwhelmed. 1. Work context. I'm up to my ears in paperwork. Can we discuss this later? 2. Home life. I was up to my ears in laundry and cleaning all weekend. 3. Studying. During exams, I'm usually up to my ears in study materials. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to express being very busy or deeply involved in a particular activity. When using up to my ears, it's important to pair it with an activity or situation. For instance, saying, I'm up to my ears in cooking for the party, clearly conveys that you are very busy preparing food. Remember, idioms like this add color and expressiveness to your language, making your communication more engaging and relatable. And that's a wrap on the idiom, up to my ears. Remember, learning idioms is not just about understanding their meanings but also about knowing how and when to use them. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now a bit more comfortable with this colorful expression. Keep practicing, and you'll be up to your ears in English fluency in no time. See you in our next video.